In the world of interior design, color is more than just a visual element. It is a language that speaks to the soul, influencing mood, energy, and even creativity. When crafting a stylish home, the right color combinations can transform a space, creating an ambiance that resonates with personal style while enhancing the overall aesthetic. The interplay of colors can evoke emotions, inspire creativity, and provide a sense of harmony and comfort. Consider the timeless elegance of a monochromatic palette. This approach utilizes varying shades of a single color to create depth and sophistication. Imagine a living room bathed in soft grays, where the walls are a light dove gray, the sofa a deeper charcoal, and the throw pillows a blend of slate and ash. This combination not only creates a serene atmosphere, but also allows for texture to shine through. By incorporating different materials, like a plush velvet sofa, a knitted throw, and a sleek glass coffee table, the space feels layered and inviting. The subtle variations in gray can make the room feel expansive, while strategically placed lighting can enhance the mood, reflecting the changing hues throughout the day. In contrast, a complementary color scheme can create a vibrant and dynamic environment. This approach involves pairing colors that are opposite each other on the color wheel, such as blue and orange or purple and yellow. Picture a kitchen where rich navy cabinets contrast beautifully with warm, golden yellow accents. The navy evokes a sense of calm and sophistication, while the yellow injects energy and cheerfulness. Together they create a space that is both functional and inviting, perfect for culinary creativity and family gatherings. Adding elements like copper fixtures or wooden accents can further bridge the gap between these bold colors, creating a cohesive look that feels both modern and warm. For those seeking a more tranquil and natural ambiance, an analogous color scheme may be the answer. This palette uses colors that are next to each other on the color wheel, such as greens, blues, and teals. Imagine a serene bedroom adorned in soft aqua walls, complemented by deep teal bedding and light green accents. This combination mimics the calming hues of nature, creating a restful retreat that promotes relaxation and rejuvenation. Incorporating natural materials, such as wooden furniture and woven textiles, can enhance the organic feel of the space, grounding it in a sense of tranquility. Adding houseplants can further breathe life into the room, creating a connection to the outdoors and enhancing the overall ambiance. Exploring the world of warm and cool colors opens up a myriad of possibilities for creating stylish spaces. Warm colors, like reds, oranges, and yellows, tend to evoke feelings of warmth and coziness, making them ideal for social spaces such as living rooms and dining areas. A bold red accent wall can become a focal point, while soft beige or cream furnishings can balance the intensity of the color, creating a welcoming atmosphere. Imagine a dining room where a rich burgundy wall is paired with light oak furniture, accented by golden tableware. This combination not only stimulates conversation, but also creates an inviting environment for gatherings and celebrations. On the other hand, cool colors such as blues, greens, and purples evoke calmness and serenity. These shades are perfect for spaces meant for relaxation, such as bedrooms and bathrooms. A spa-like bathroom adorned in soft seafoam green tiles, paired with crisp white fixtures, can create a refreshing oasis. Adding metallic accents in silver or chrome can elevate the design, adding a touch of modernity while maintaining a soothing atmosphere. In a bedroom, deep indigo walls can create a cocooning effect, while soft lavender bedding adds a touch of softness, encouraging restful sleep and peaceful dreams. Incorporating neutrals into color schemes can provide a grounding effect, allowing bolder colors to shine without overwhelming the senses. A neutral palette, featuring shades of beige, gray, and white, can serve as a perfect backdrop for vibrant artwork or colorful accessories. Imagine a living room where a soft taupe sofa is adorned with bright teal and mustard yellow pillows. The neutral base allows the colors to pop, creating a lively and inviting space. By layering textures, such as a chunky knit throw, a sleek leather chair, and a soft area rug, the room gains depth and interest, making it a cozy haven for relaxation and socializing. The psychological effects of color should not be overlooked when designing a home. Each color carries its own emotional weight, influencing how we feel in a space. For instance, green is often associated with growth and tranquility, making it an excellent choice for home offices or creative spaces. A workspace adorned in soft sage green can promote focus and inspiration, while a gallery wall of art can add bursts of color and personality. Similarly, yellow is known to inspire creativity and happiness, making it a fantastic choice for craft rooms or play areas. A bright lemon yellow accent wall can energize a space, inviting creativity and playfulness. Personal style plays a crucial role in color selection. A bohemian aesthetic might embrace rich jewel tones like emerald green, sapphire blue, and ruby red, layered with eclectic patterns and textures. This vibrant approach can create a lively and inviting atmosphere, perfect for those who thrive on creativity and expression. Conversely, a minimalist style may favor a more subdued palette, with whites, grays, and muted tones creating a clean and uncluttered look. This approach allows for a focus on form and function, with color serving as an accent rather than the main attraction. Ultimately, the best color combinations for a stylish home are those that resonate with the individual's personality and lifestyle. Whether opting for a bold and vibrant palette or a soft and serene one, the key lies in finding harmony between colors, textures, and personal style. A well-curated color scheme can transform a house into a home, creating spaces that inspire, comfort, and reflect the unique essence of those who inhabit them. As one explores the myriad possibilities of color, the journey becomes an expression of self, turning every room into a canvas waiting to be painted with life and creativity.